Los años 70 fueron pródigos en cuanto a creación musical. El mundo entero se vio rodeado por obras de Burt Bacharach, de Barry Manilow, muchas también entonadas por los Carpenters. Y en esos años 70, aquí, en nuestro país, surgiendo en los festivales universitarios, aparecían tres voces, hoy consagradas. Y están con nosotros en este escenario, en esta noche. Esas voces acompañadas al piano por Jorge Lobito Martínez, Toti Morel en la batería y Mario Rodríguez en el bajo acústico. Hablamos de Sandra Thompson, de Panchi López Moreira y de Fernando Barreiro, hoy en los 20 años del Sistema Nacional de Televisión y para todo el país.
Without you, I can't laugh and I can't talk. It finding it hard even to talk, and I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad when you're glad, and you must know what I'm going through. I just can't smile. My day, who'd believe you were part of a dream that only seemed light years away? And you know I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. You must know what I'm going through. I just can't smile without you. Some people say happiness way, something is hard to find. Into the new, leaving the old behind me. And feel sad when you're sad. Feel glad when you're glad. And you must know what I'm going through. I just can't smile without you. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you are high? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together
And decided to create a dream come true. So the sprinkle mangles in your hair, golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why